Now the top story comes in from Bengal. Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Kalyan Banerjee has equated Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to a venomous serpent, a snake. During a rally in the Bankura area, Banerjee said, like the bite of a venomous snake that kills everyone, the same way Nirmala Sitharaman's bite is killing people and economy of the country. He also called her the most useless finance minister in the history of India. Now remember, the rally was being conducted by the TMC to protest against fuel price hike and privatization of Indian railways.
নির্মলা সীতারামনের ছবলকে ভারতবর্ষের মানুষ প্রতিদিন একটা করে মরছে। আরে গোটা ভারতবর্ষ অর্থনৈতিক জায়গাটা মাটির সঙ্গে মিলিয়ে দিয়েছি, লজ্জা করছে না? এখনো গদিতে বসে আছি, গদি থেকে রিজাইন করে অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশে ঘরে চলে যাওয়া উচিত নির্মলা সীতারামনের। সারা পৃথিবী সর্বনিকৃষ্ট যদি কেউ অর্থমন্ত্রী থাকে তার নাম হচ্ছে নির্মলা সীতারামন।
All right, I'm now also joined on the phone line by Rahul Sinha from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Sinha, the TMC and the BJP have been at loggerheads, but how would you want to react to this comparison that has been made?
7 दिन पहले बोली थी
जी,
जो भाषा संस्कृति बीजेपी नष्ट कर रहा है और उन्होंने कुभाषा का खिलाफ उन्होंने आवाज उठाया था। तो मैं ममता बनर्जी को कहना चाहता हूं, जो आपका सांसद एक महिला को और जो राष्ट्र का जो वित्त मंत्री है उनके खिलाफ किस ढंग से उन्होंने प्रहार किया, किस ढंग से किस भाषा का व्यवहार किया। तापस पाल उनका सांसद था, आज है नहीं। उन्होंने जो भाषा का कल्चर शुरू करके गए थे महिला का ऊपर अटैकिंग भाषा, और उसी भाषा का तृणमूल कांग्रेस में अभी समाप्त नहीं हुआ। वो कल्याण बनर्जी काल बांकुरा में जो उनका पार्टी का सभा था उसमें बोल के इसको स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया। तो तृणमूल कांग्रेस का इस संसद का खिलाफ हम लोग तो एफआईआर दर्ज कर रहा है, और साथ साथ मैं कहना चाहता हूं जो ममता बनर्जी इसका स्पष्टीकरण दे, क्लियरिफिकेशन दे, या तो कल्याण बनर्जी को इसके खिलाफ दंडित करे, पार्टी से हटाए, या तो कल्याण बनर्जी माफी मांगे निर्मला सीतारामन जी से। निर्मला सीतारामन जी एक अकेला नहीं है, बात है पूरा महिला जाति को उन्होंने अपमान किया जी, जिस ढंग से नागिन कह के उन्होंने संबोधन किया, तो ये कोई रुचिवान पुरुष नहीं कर सकता है।
Rahul Sinha, but as the BJP leader is saying, they are all set to file an FIR demanding an apology from Kalyan Banerjee against the comment that has been made. They are saying this is attacking all women. But also, Mr. Sinha, this is the TMC protesting against fuel price hike. They are saying people have suffered so much that at this point, that is why they are making such comments. In fact, I'm also now joined by one of the Trinamool Congress supporter, Tausif Ahmed Khan, also on the phone line. Mr. Khan, we just spoke to BJP leader Rahul Sinha. Now, why make a comparison like this, even if the issue is very supportive, calling her the bite of a snake?
You see, these, comparison sometimes becomes necessary to send a message. What is the message we are trying to send right now? Look at the price of fuel. The fuel hike that has been happening consistently from the past few months, and it increases on a day-to-day basis. When Congress was in power, this very BJP and their leaders were out on the street and they were sending bangles to the Prime Minister. Where have they gone now? And we are talking about this Nirmala Sitharaman. She is the same woman who in the House of the Parliament, when people were protesting against the price rise of onion, she told in the House of the Parliament that I don't eat a lot of onion.
And that was criticized, Mr. Khan, if you remember.
Of the Parliament, that I don't eat a lot of onion.
And that was criticized, Mr. Khan, if you remember. Those comments were also called out. So if they're sending bangles and that's also being criticized, does the TMC have to match up to it and call her a snake or a snake bite?
Today, it is the BJP who is running the government. It is BJP who is controlling all the central agencies and to an extent has an influence over the media and the social media. So it is the BJP who sets the narrative. So BJP must look into it as to how they want, whether they want our politicians to engage in a certain way or they do not want to have any standards. So did we hear a single word from the Prime Minister condemning what Sitaraman had said about the price rise of onion, that she did not eat a lot of onion? No.
So are you saying, sir, Mr. Khan, that Kalyan Banerjee hasn't said anything wrong, is what you're saying?
See, the BJP leader has just said that if they have filed an FIR, they are well within their right to file a complaint, and then the investigation will go on, and whatever happens during the course of investigation will happen. However, no, any political leader from BJP comes and lectures the opposition leaders that you must not engage in this or that language is not acceptable.
Tausif Khan, I request you to stay on with me because Rahul Sinha of the BJP is still with us. Rahul Sinha, Tausif Khan, he's a Trinamool Congress supporter. He is saying it is the BJP, ये तो आपकी पार्टी है जो पार्लियामेंट में कुछ स्टेटमेंट देती है, कंट्रोवर्शियल बातें करते हैं और अब आप तृणमूल कांग्रेस पे गुस्सा दिखा रहे हैं ऐसे कमेंट्स बनाने के लिए।
देखिए, पाप कर दिया और उस पाप को धोने के लिए झूठा बात बोलना तृणमूल कांग्रेस का एक आदत बन गया। जो पहले मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, जो कोई महिला को इस ढंग से अटैक करना तृणमूल कांग्रेस का कल्चर है कि नहीं, पहले स्वीकार करें। ममता बनर्जी ने 7 दिन पहले उन्होंने भाषा का बारे में बहुत लंबा चौड़ा भाषण बीजेपी को टारगेट करके दिया था। तो आज मैं ममता बनर्जी को पूछना चाहता हूं, जो ये कौन भाषा है? ये एक एडवोकेट है, ये एडवोकेट का भाषा है। तो इसीलिए अभी इधर उधर बात को घुमाने का प्रयास तृणमूल करने से हम इधर उधर बात को घूमने नहीं देंगे। तो इसीलिए तृणमूल कांग्रेस में जो कल्चर चल रहा है, एक तो काटमानी खाने का कल्चर चल रहा है, एक तो तूफान का और कोरोना का रेशन लूट करने का कल्चर चल रहा है, और ये ऐसा भाषा का दुरुपयोग चल रहा है जो एक महिला को भी इन्होंने छूट नहीं दी।
Okay, so the Bharatiya Janata Party is saying this is attacking a woman, this is attacking all women folk, but the Trinamool Congress supporter is stating that it is the BJP that has often led with some controversial comments and the fuel price hike as well. We'll wait for an official comment from the Trinamool Congress and if Mamata Banerjee decides to speak on that. Rahul Sinha, Tausif Khan, thank you so much. BJP Shamit Patra has already reacted to this controversy brewing. Listen into that.
देखिए, वह बंगाल की भूमि जहां काली, जहां मां दुर्गा हर घर में जिनकी उपासना होती है, काली और दुर्गा जी के बगैर पत्ता भी नहीं हिलता है बंगाल में, उस बंगाल की भूमि में एक महिला की इस प्रकार से अपमान, नस्ल भेद है। ये किसी को काली कह के कहना कि तुम काली हो और तुम नागिन हो, ये न केवल नस्ल भेदी और रेसिस्ट है, ये मिसोजिनिस्ट और महिलाओं के खिलाफ दिया हुआ एक वक्तव्य है। और हमें निराशा इस बात का है कि ममता बनर्जी स्वयं एक महिला होते हुए भी और टीएमसी की अध्यक्षा और मुख्यमंत्री होते हुए भी वो इस पर कोई कार्यवाही नहीं करेगी। इसलिए नहीं करेगी क्योंकि खुद वो दुर्गा जी को नहीं मानती हैं।
So let's get an update now from my colleague Manogya Loiwal joining me from Kolkata. Manogya, this is getting bizarre and the comment and the comparison is definitely which will lead to further controversy. How is this being seen in Bengal? Could we expect a comment from Mamata Banerjee at all?
Well, as far as political leadership is concerned, they all know that they have to adjust to the need of the political vote bank, and these kind of statements somehow go down well with those who've been clapping in the rallies that are being attended by the TMC supporters, or for that matter, even BJP. But such kind of statements have been derogatory in the political as well as the intellectual circles also, where demeaning a lady, that to the finance minister of the country, and comparing her with a snake would be equivalent if a BJP leader does the same for the top leadership of TMC. The responses have been same on either side because of the political attacks. What we have to understand is that this is, of course, a new low in the political battle that has been ongoing in West Bengal, focusing on the 2021 assembly elections, which had a turnaround of its first stage in 2019. But as the battle gets murkier, every political party and the leader is trying its level best to not just adjust to the people, but also hog these
Okay.
kind of highlights and limelight. But for now, all we could say is that this is just the beginning of the step 2 of the entire battle.
All right, Manogya, keep tracking all the latest. This is definitely going to become a huge controversy. Comment of comparing and a metaphor using for Nirmala Sitharaman that of a venomous snake bite.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.